we're gonna go ahead and using condensed glue gels in this first step from Crystal Trifecta. I'm gonna add it on. And we'll do the next one in a little bit. So do one at a time. Finish with the no wipe top coat. Thank you, Mika. Blossoming Fall. If you haven't get chance to get that, that is one of the foil is go with all season. So you will never go wrong with that. It can even do a fall, spring, summer. I still like the cat eyes effect. You can see that, you know, you feel that. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so let's go into the crystal placements. This one needs some dragon scale though. You think?
That would be pretty.
Like yellow dragon scale?
Make the flowers.
The flowers from dragon scale? No, you know what?
Your flowers are yellow.
Yeah, the yellow one. I'm gonna add some center for this one. Like this one right there. It's standing out. You can dressing it out completely. I am going to pick the smaller size. The smaller size is gonna be perfect with the here you go. Super adorable is a drop. I'm not using some pink. Simple for the pinky. I'm gonna add some beads between the crystals and then between crystal and crystals. So then, because this is a super adorable pinky, you can absolutely add more crystal on it, which is I would. I'm still in the frame. Okay.
Yes, you are.
Sorry, I'm moving too much. And I usually doing it like a triangle on the end of the on the end of the crystals. All right. I'm not doing one gloves. I'm loving this. You know, if you have this one, you can create so many designs as well. And also the glow in the dark is really a awesome kits that have everything you can't even ask for. It has a frame, all the shape, and everything else. So I'm gonna using the edges of my crystal picker, just remove all the excess gel or condensed glue gels or no wipe top coat is might getting on the edges here, so then that way it would not make it your nail looks bulky. All right, the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, you can definitely adjusting it until you're happy with it. Okay, I'm happy. We're going to Kia for 60 seconds. All right, 60 seconds it is. I bet I'm not touching it. That's adorable. Same thing with this. I love this, even it's had a transfer voice on it, but you till the nails, you can see the effects of it. All right, so moving on, the condensed glue gels again for that nails. This is a right hand, right? I think it's a right hand. Comes right here. Spread this is in. And then I'm going to show you, you can do a different shape or literally you can using your gloves crystal and then create it on this look. Go ahead and apply the no wipe top coat. And I'm using, here's a crystal that I'm using just in case you are wondering what I am using. The gloves crystal. Boop. 1, 2, and 3. That's all you need. If you want more, oh yes, absolutely. Always can add more. I'm gonna add the crystals. After done with the crystal, I'm gonna add the beads on between the crystals and crystal. Hey, do I get some? And don't worry if you feel like I'm laying them right here. And the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to set here until you are going to key it, okay? And make sure they're all straight. All right. Finish with my triangle. And then 1 centerpiece for this beauty, and then you're good to go. All right, good. Make sure they are all good. Here you go. Okay, turn it off.